In this video, we're going to be looking at the idea of an equivalent fraction. Take a look at this example. 1/4 is represented by this diagram because 1 out of 4 are shaded. Notice how, if I was to divide each section into 2, I now have 2 out of 8 that are shaded. These are known as equivalent fractions because the same proportion of the shape is shaded. In order to create an equivalent fraction, whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom. In this case, I times the top by 2 and the bottom by 2, simply because I doubled the number of sections that there were, and I also doubled the number that was shaded. Another example of an equivalent fraction to 1/4 would be 5/20, simply because I times the top by 5 and the bottom by 5. All of these are equivalent fractions because they share the same value. If I had 7 out of 28, I could show that this is exactly the same as 1/4 by dividing the top and the bottom by 7. If I can divide both the top and the bottom by the same number and get integer numbers as both my numerator and denominator, what I have done is simplified the fraction. Whenever we are finding equivalent fractions or simplifying a fraction to create another equivalent fraction, notice how we only use the operation times and divide.